Forget about traveling to another part of the world. Travel to Sri Lanka, a land that can give you everything. My name is Jeremy Klaus, born and bred in Sri Lanka, living in Colombo. You could say that I'm an ambassador of this country, taking the message of this beautiful land to the world. Sri Lanka to me is my pride and my life. It's actually a pride and an honor to say that I'm a Sri Lankan and to have been born in Sri Lanka.
So my name is Prasanta. I love Sri Lanka because of the food and the people. Sri Lanka makes unique and different to the other countries because the one thing is the people. People are very helpful and people are very friendly. A lot of Sri Lankans has a lot of flavors and they are really food lovers.
I'm Roshni and welcome to Sri Lanka. This is a country like no other. You can see the different wildlife, cultures, and also the people are very friendly. Come and experience the true beauty of nature.
In a very short period of time, you can actually see ancient history, culture, art, wildlife, temples, monuments, the golden beaches of this land, everything. Sri Lanka is unique because we are not artificial, we are natural. What we present to the world is not what man has created. We have thousands and thousands of years of history. For a traveler, it's basically, in a nutshell, it's a mere land of paradise. Come to this land. Don't just trust me, don't just trust my words. Travel, come to this land and discover our Sri Lanka.